Kids, now it's time to do your homework. Oh, I hate homework. Same. I don't even know how to work this. I do. I just don't have one. Kids, be quiet, or else I'll put you in the book of smells. I'll just write your names. No, don't.
Today, we're going to be making a Lego! Do you like Legos? Well, I sure do! And today we're making the Transfiguration class! Look at this, it's so cool! Let's go ahead and do this! And this is how we did. This is so cool. If you like our video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.